My name is Dylan Starr, and this is my communication strategy assignment. First, let's go over the 16 personality test results. I ended up being a ESFJ-A console. A console is someone that life is sweetest when shared with others. Consuls do believe in the power of hospitality and good manners, and they tend to feel a sense of duty to those around them. I think that really fits me because I like spending time with others, and whenever there's something that needs to be done or something, I will go out of my way to help them. Some strengths and weaknesses of a consul is that let's first start with the strengths. Some strengths are some practical or strong practical skills, strong sense of duty, very loyal, sensitive and warm, and good at connecting with others. And that last one I really like because that describes me a lot. Some weaknesses are inflexible, meaning they like once they have a plan set, they won't really go off of that. And then another weakness is they don't really like to go outside their comfort zone, which I personally I do not like to go outside my comfort zone a lot when I'm doing something. Vulnerable to criticism. I wouldn't really say I am vulnerable to criticism, in my opinion, because I like criticism. I don't know. It makes me better who I am. Um, and then too selfless. They don't really they care more for others than they actually do themselves. Now let's go over to the workplace habits. Some of the workplace habits are consoles like social order and harmony, and this just means like they talk to each other, they make sure everyone knows their responsibility for the day and what they're supposed to do, and then they kind of like the authority. Like, I don't know, like they feel like they need to be respected. That's kind of that, like in a workplace, they want to be respected by others. So they kind of have a higher authority. Next, let's go on to the next test, the Tony Robbins DISC and motivators results. My DISC or DISC style is a planner. I really like to plan out how I do my day, and I'm very set on that certain plan of what I'm going to do. Um, the aesthetic, now these are more motivators. What motivates me? The first type was just the disc style. Now let's move on to the motivators. And the aesthetic is just basically saying keeping a good balance of work and life. And I don't know, I'm really strong in that. I really like to just keep it balanced between my schoolwork and then my outside of schoolwork, and even when I have a job, I don't like to like put one over the other. I like to have a good balance. Economics. I'm I get pretty. This is the definition from them, which really describes me. Motivate from self-interest, economic gains, and like real world returns. So that really motivates me. I feel like individualistic. Just basically, as it says in the name, you're just kind of like being by your own. You're unique. Power. You like to be seen as a leader. Um, altruistic. Altruistic is like an expression of the need or energy benefit from others at the expense of yourself. So you want to see like people succeed, and you want to help them instead of you kind of giving up yourself because you want to see them be happy. Regulatory, this is just basically establish an order, establish a plan. This kind of goes back to my disc style. And theoretical, the desire to uncover or recover the truth. This is all about the need to know why, which I really like this one too. It really describes me. And now let's go on the feedback that I got from showing my family members and friends about these two test results. Excuse me. Sorry. For my friends, they all just said it's expected. Like they all agreed with everything. They saw me as a more social person, how I like to help others, but I also like to be a leader too, seen as a leader, and I just kind of have a plan for everything. My family also, they kind of said the same thing just because they all know me pretty well. Um, and my personal opinion, I really like these tests 'cause they describe me and they really hit on some things that I've never really thought about of myself. So that's a good thing. It brings out some of my strengths and weaknesses. Now to the next slide is communication, my communication strategy as a sender. As a sender or delivering information, I need to work on in the future more empathy for others because I tend to just like not really saying I don't care, but I just don't care as much as I could and just to help someone out. Like I like helping people out, but once it gets like to a certain level it's a little deep that I can't really listen to, I don't know. I'm just not good at having empathy for other people. I need to engage in the conversation. Sometimes I can be pretty quiet, but I also tend to get lenient with my words and just let stuff slip, so I need to be more formal. And I also need to just try to help or relate instead of just turning my back to some people that not necessarily I don't like, but I just would help someone else over them. But I need to help more people out and just relate to them more. And now my communication strategy as a receiver, which is the information being told to me or written to me or whatever. I need to be more understanding about stuff instead of just reading it. And this kind of goes with like the don't get flustered thing. I need to be more understanding instead of like getting flustered at something that I don't like or just, I don't know, just not understanding really what they're saying, almost just kind of jump to conclusions. And I also need to listen to all the details or read all the details instead of jumping to conclusions. It kind of goes with the first two a little bit. And this is my big part. When I'm told something, I tend to sometimes space off if it's a lot of stuff or they talk too fast. And I'm like, I have some fuzzy spots on what they just told me. Excuse me. I just need to clear up the questions and just make sure I get everything word for word as they said it. And those are some things, my communication strategy as a receiver. Yeah, and so that's my PowerPoint. Thank you all for listening and watching. Hope you guys had fun this semester and have a great summer. Here's my references.